Alright, so we're doing this video to report some of the issues that I'm having with the Autel Evo Lite 640T. There are many issues that I'm having, and by reporting and showing this video, I'm hoping to get some responses and see if we can improve all of this. Okay, so first issue is latency. You can see myself over there, and I'm going to move my arm right now. I'm moving my arm right now, and as you can see, there is a delay. Let me do it again. Moving now. Another issue is the camera settings. In order to take a photo, you will see that it takes quite some time. Let me press here the shutter. Alright, so there was a delay of about 3-4 seconds and it took 2 shots. I don't know why, it should be only one. Let's try again, here we go. Three shots, and always the delay, probably 5 seconds. Now let's try video. I don't know what happened there. Let's try again.
Start recording.
Alright, so I had to press it twice. The second time it started working, but there was also a delay. Let me stop now. Let's see what happens. Still recording.
Stop recording.
4 or 5 seconds that
Start
keeps
recording.
recording. And now it started recording by itself. It doesn't want to stop.
Stop recording.
Okay, now I did it. But that's not right. Now let's try. There is something called thermal color. It's a drop-down list of thermal color pop-ups. And it's this little icon right here. Right there, look. It turns yellow, but there is no window popping. So you can choose a different palette. It only turns yellow, but that's all. Now zoom. We got zoom right here. Let's zoom in. Nothing. Let's try again. Nothing. Okay, didn't work. Let's try this one here, thermal. Nothing. No sliding. No tapping. Nothing. Also, I need to point out that I'm having a constant issue with the RC signal. It's most of the time it's red, and the drone, it's only about, I would say, 10 feet away behind me. And when I go out there and I was flying, it was red all the time. Very, very bad, weak signal. Let's go now here to the menu. Sorry, right there, menu. And then we're going to go to settings right here. And you see that empty field there. That should be reading 66. I don't know why. Sometimes it shows empty, other times shows 66. But I cannot set a number. It will get erased or it will pick any random number, but not what I select. You see, it's back to nothing. Okay, let's check this parameter now. Menu, settings, remote control, calibration. I did that yesterday. It took me a long time, but it was finally done. This was also done. Let me see what else. Connect to aircraft. It says connected. But then this window shows here saying connect. It should say disconnect, not connect. It's already connected. Okay, now gimbal settings. It's set to 1. I've tried to put this one in about 25. Let's see if it records that number. Let's get out, then let's go back here, settings, gimbal. It's back to 1 again. This is the other issue, pitch. I want to be able to look up with the camera. Let's do these two settings here, 33 and on the extended pitch angle. Okay, let's get out of here. And now let's go back. Again, it's off. It just doesn't record it. Let's check this other parameter right now, which is recognition. Right here in the corner. Turn it on. It doesn't. Let's try again. Okay, now it's on. I have to press it twice. Go here, select. All right, that's good. So let's turn it off. Come on, turn off. All right, so let's do it this way. Okay, there it is. But you see, it doesn't respond in real time. There's always a delay. Last night I did a flight at night, and the stealth option, which is supposed to turn off all of the lights, did not work at all. I pressed it a million times and it just didn't work. And the auxiliary light was on all the time, and I couldn't turn it off. All right, that's it for now. I'm going to send this video and let's see what's the response.